Hello, welcome to English for Everyone, where we practice real life American English. Today we're going to practice talking about different kinds of workshops. First, this is not correct.
One individual class with me costs around $30. And in my English club, you'll have 4 workshops with me and at least 4 meetings in small groups with other students.
The word is pronounced workshop, not workshop. It has the short ah sound. It's open, like stop, and hot, shop, workshop. There are different kinds of workshops. Let's talk about a few. First, we have this workshop. A workshop can be a kind of meeting where people talk about a specific subject. This is a training workshop. They're attending a training workshop. Let's practice. Are they attending a training workshop? That's right. They're attending a training workshop. Or this workshop is an area where you work on things, where you fix things, where you build things. This is a workshop. And he's building something in his workshop. I use possessive his. He's building something in his workshop. Pronunciation, in his workshop. The H in his is not pronounced because his is not a stressed word. He's building something in his workshop. Let's practice. Is he building something in his workshop? That's right. He's building something in his workshop. And this is Santa's workshop. We see the pronunciation of Santa. When you have NT between vowels, you don't hear the T. You hear Santa, Santa. This is Santa's workshop. And he has elves. One elf, 2 elves. The elves are working in Santa's workshop. Let's practice. What are the elves doing? Are they working in Santa's workshop? That's right. The elves are working in Santa's workshop. So remember, we have different kinds of workshops, but the pronunciation is always the same. Use a short ah sound like hot and stop. Shop. Together, workshop. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.